Hi, I'm Susan Holly. I am out of the Mighty Oaks organization under Holly Dickey, and what I'm bringing to you today is a no-bake Mexican crumble ice cream. What I've done is taken a family no-bake recipe. I've added 1/4 of a teaspoon of cinnamon and 1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Some people might call that a Mexican no-bake cookie. They are so delicious. And I got that idea from my sister, who her son loves this no-bake cookie. And it's kind of special to me because we just lost him to a 25-year battle with brain cancer. So it's a special, special recipe. So I thought I'd kick it up a notch, and I made our basic vanilla ice cream recipe, and I made it in the ice cream maker, which is one of my favorite products that we have here at Pampered Chef. And I carried the flavors on over, and I added 1/2 teaspoon of the cinnamon to 1/4 of a teaspoon of the cayenne pepper, and just blended it in. And then got this beautiful ice cream. Doesn't that look just great? I know. So what I'm going to do next is I want to take some of these cookies and just crumble them up. Now you don't want to do this at the beginning because it's going to make your cookie kind of dissolve, and you want those crumbled bits. This is a great recipe to finish off Taco Tuesdays with. Everybody needs that little bit of sweet. So you just stir it around. Ice cream scoop. And you can make these ahead of time. Put them in the freezer cups. Put them in the freezer. And then if you want to have a little fun with it, garnish it with a no-bake. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.